All right, sweet. Let's get into it, Tom. Should we do results first? Wait, no. Let me intro the video. So we're gonna look today. We're gonna do we're gonna do results. We're gonna look at our May results. Then we're gonna talk a little bit about FBA Blueprint and Adam Heist's course. Very quick update on that. Then we're gonna go into new plans for our FBA brand, new products, stuff like that. Then a bit of like personal news. We've made a few podcast appearances and stuff like that. So we'll go into that, and then that's it. I think, right? That's everything, Tom.
Yeah, just a quick monthly update.
Okay.
For our loyal fans.
Yeah, sweet. All right, so Tom, have you got your phone there for the results?
Yeah. So this is the last 30 days. I think addicts are probably. Well, sorry, you can see here we've done 137 grand in the last 30. I think addicts probably pop up on screen. We did about 143, I think it was, in the month of May. From the 1st to the 31st, so that was our best ever month actually. Again, we think that's probably our fourth record month in a row, is it?
Yeah, four big months. Yeah. I think so. We did 143,000 on Seller Central, but then with returns and everything. So yes, so then you can see my screen there, Tom. Right. So this is basically our. So you can see here we did 139,000 on the right hand side, 139,595. So that's 143 minus all the returns and stuff. Because I know everyone obviously wants to know how much profit we make, not just revenue. So it comes out at $28,234 in profit. And then you can see here like
what are you going to spend your 14 grand on?
It might go back into the business. I don't know. So you basically see, you can see our growth over the last 12 months. This is where we were like planning what to do with our, what to do with the budget that we had and everything. And we launched all our new products. Then we've had these 3 record months that Tom's just been talking about. Yeah, so that's it. That's the results for May. I always get confused what month they're in.
Yeah, I think probably what will happen now, I'd imagine, we'll do an update like this every month, just to kind of show that we are real sellers. I don't know how many other people in the space actually show their results every month, but we'll keep you guys updated. So probably it'll probably dip off a bit now, to be honest. Like, we think we've probably hit peak season and that everything went obviously to plan. It went really well. We're cool with it just dipping off a little bit. Obviously, we're working hard behind the scenes to kind of grow this over the next 6 to 8 months anyway. We're going to get ready for our next big run, which will be the back end of the year. But yeah, it's been good. We're super happy with it, and I think now we'll consolidate and grow more in the next 12 months. I think up to our target was something, I think, on the last episode. We want to go to 300, 350 a month this time next year, so kind of hold us to it. If we don't do it, then, we're frauds, aren't we?
Fake gurus. Yeah, we wanted to do a quick update on Adam Heist and FBA Blueprint. If you watched our last update last month, and if you've seen some of our videos lately, we're promoting Adam's course. We're part of his community. And we've had a little bit of backlash, haven't we, Tom? We've had people, only a bit, but we've had people on Twitter. We have people leaving email addresses and comments and stuff saying that we're selling out. And we just wanted to address why we're doing it. We're doing it because the point of this channel was always to be transparent and be honest, obviously, and teach people about Amazon FBA in a transparent and honest way, and not bullshit people, not mislead people. And Adam aligns with that exactly. So if you are looking to learn FBA, 100%, there's no better person to learn from. There's no better community to be part of. But yeah, we're not just, we're not sellouts, we're not fake gurus, but we are sort of working with Adam on that. So
to add to that as well, to be fair, with it's very much the minority, but under 5 or 6 people that have said that, I'd say. Everyone else has been super supportive. It's nice because we obviously announced that we partnered with Adam for our business as well, so we've had loads of people in the Amazon community reach out and kind of congratulate us, and they know it was a pretty big move. So that's been really nice to get that support, and hopefully we're kind of just trailblazers, kind of. But maybe other people can do a similar thing to us. They can reach out to people they follow.
Yeah, for sure.
They can make some partnerships that are a win-win for everyone. I mean, to that point actually about the community, so that probably moves on to what we've been doing for the last month. So we went to London and met Adam in person. We were around the Seller Sessions event, the Danny McMillan event, which was just after the last video we posted. So met Adam, had a few beers with him. It was great. I'm sure Alex can pop up a picture.
New friend!
Cool. Adam doesn't look very happy in the picture, but he was, honestly. on the inside, he was delighted. I don't know why he posed a serious look for that picture, but we met them. We met some other people off Twitter that we've become really good friends with, to be honest. We had a few WhatsApp group chats with them. So it was a great weekend in London. We talked a lot about Amazon, but also just about general life. We obviously have a lot of things in common with these people, so I don't know about you. I thought it was a great weekend.
Yeah, it was awesome, man. It was like it was just great to like meet all these people, wasn't it? And like just through us doing these YouTube and doing Twitter and obviously meeting Adam, like we've met so many amazing people. So I think people, like when we first started the YouTube and stuff, we only spoke to each other. So I completely agree. Like it's been amazing to meet everyone, and then Adam's sort of been like the pinnacle of that, hasn't he? Because he was our hero for a long time, and then we were sat like 12 months later we're sat talking Amazon with him. But
it was good to actually in person as well go through the plans for the business. That was like we met Adam, but we also met our first investor. So if you followed us for a while, you might know that a year ago we sold 10% of our business to raise cash, and we never met the guy in person. This guy Matt. So we went over to his west end of London, met Matt. He was great, super very clever guy. I thought I was a bit intimidated almost. He's so smart, big into crypto. I had a really good chat with him about the plans for the business, but meeting people in person, this is always a bit better than doing it over Zoom or whatever. So that was really good as well.
Yeah, that was sweet. Yeah. We got to see Stamford Bridge, didn't we? On a sunny day. All right, Tom, do you want to like, should we go over like what our plans are for the brand and like FBA like in general?
Yeah, so where we're at the minute, we have one product where the print, like the mold, has been made. The 3D print's been made. We finalised the design for everything for a custom product that we're really excited about and got huge hopes for. We're looking to launch that kind of August, September time. So the mold is in production now. This one we signed kind of an agreement with the factory. It's all exclusive. We pay for a mold fee. This isn't something that's maybe super easy to do when you first start Amazon, I'd say, but with the level we're at now, this is where we want to take our business, is all custom. You can build a bit of a moat around your business. It's definitely the way you want to go. We have another product as well in the works, which is in the design phase, which is a pretty massive investment, but again, one that we think could really propel us past the kind of 350,000 a month revenue targets that we have.
Yeah, it's been pretty cool though, hasn't it? Now we're like starting to develop these, custom products. Like our products in the past, we've done as much as we can to try and differentiate them and make them improve upon them and all this, but now we're actually building these things pretty much from scratch, working with the suppliers. Like so it's really fun. And it gives us a lot of confidence that we can hit those big goals. We're also actually, I've mentioned it a little bit before in some of my videos, but we're working on a completely new brand. So we're by the end of this year, we're hoping to launch that brand in January 2023. That product is in development. So we've had all the designs made for that, and we're working with a sourcing agent at the moment to try and find a good supplier in China. So that's going to be cool because we've focused on this one brand for almost 2 years now, and it's gone really well. And, we want to diversify and create a second brand, and it's a completely different niche. So we can do some updates on that as we go. But launch for that should be January.
We also tell you what we did. There's other updates. We were on a couple of podcasts that were good fun. I think one came out 2 days ago. Ben Donovan's podcast. This is the Brand Builder University. If you're not subscribed to his channel, Ben's legit. Definitely worth subscribing to him. He knows his stuff. That was really fun. And then Sumner Hobart, we were on his channel. That comes out about now. So check those out as well if you can't get enough of me and Alex talking shop. We went into pretty deep techniques actually of how we launch products and run our PPC and quite a few other bits. So if you like the technical stuff, then definitely recommend checking out those two podcasts. Yeah,
for sure. Yeah, we did go pretty deep, didn't we? We had to had some good chats in them for sure. All right, I think that's probably pretty much it. We're going to do, like Tom said, we're going to do probably one of these updates once a month. If you do want to hear us talk about more stuff, drop a comment below. Let us know what topics you want us to talk about. If there's stuff, we can basically turn this into a little bit of a podcast, can't we, Tom? Like once a month, we can, maybe get some guests on. So we do our update and then we bring somebody on to talk about stuff. But we're trying to do all of our content around like what you guys want to see. So don't be shy with letting us know down below if you want to see something specific that we can cover. Let us know in the comments.
Actually, we're desperate for 1,000 followers, so we're so desperate. We've offered $100 of cold hard cash in Alex's previous video. So check that out and follow the instructions to enter the competition on that. Also, the biggest news probably is that I'm making my YouTube comeback, and there's a video going to come out probably early next week. Actually, definitely recommend watching it because it's how you can get essentially free money back from Amazon. That should be a good one. I'll be back on YouTube a fair bit more now. We've got a bit of our logistics stuff outsourced, which has been putting me under for a while. So I'm excited to get back onto YouTube, and I imagine our subscribers are going to rock it up now.
Probably 10K now you're back in the game. Soon enough. That is actually a good point that we didn't cover, just to cover quickly, is like Tom has been a little bit absent from the YouTube channel, honestly, because spending the vast majority of his time doing all of our logistics, all of that stuff, which is obviously our main priority. But now we're hiring we've hired VAs to cover all of that stuff. So the goal of what we're trying to do now is free up as much of our time so we can work on creating YouTube content, but also we can work on the growth of our business and new product development and all that side of stuff. So we're doing less admin type stuff and more growth type stuff, basically. So if anybody wants to hear more about that, let us know. We can maybe do some videos on how that's going. But yeah, check out Tom's video, because we got nearly $10,000 back in a VAT.
12.5, mate. 12.5.
12.5. We got nearly $12,500 back. That if we hadn't have been tipped off about this, we would have never got that money back. We would have never have known about it. So make sure you check out Tom's latest video on that. We'll put a link in the description.
The last bit of news out is that Alex's long-awaited return
to
Barcelona this next week. We've got
back in the big city.
He's back. He's back in the big time. We've got Primavera Sound Festival together, which will be loose. We might have a few days after that.
Got to go for a big fat steak, aren't we?
Oh yeah, big fat steak to celebrate the record month, I think, is on the cards.
Definitely.
We can use some credit card points that we've earned from all our spends.
Take it out of petty cash.
Yeah. If you get that reference, please comment down below. If you do, then we want to be friends with you.
All right, thanks for joining us, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.